Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, you know where we're at. Let's show you the progress. So from that piece of tape over, down, into here needs to be finished yet. So because I'm just being anal retentive and super picky because of the car itself, that it has to be perfect. It just has to. So we've got, as you can tell, a good portion of it done. It just kind of tagged in place more than anything because this is where the light fixture goes. So I have to cut this in the middle, cut around the screw holes, and then the light fixture can be put back in again. So that when we go to put this back in the car, in there, it just buttons up with the plug connector going in for the light. And then it screws into place in 3 spots over here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and that's where these go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll, I'm sorry, I missed the screw hole right there. And then we have where these go. So that locks it into place like that. There we go. So that's basically what it's going to look like when it goes back in again. But yeah, we're taking our sweet old time, literally. I need this to be perfect. I can't stress it enough. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. So this will probably go in tomorrow into the car because I want everything to have 24 hours. This piece, of course, will have 48 and get that done. And the reason why I'm waiting to do the other side is because there's a good portion of the headliner that doesn't have any support, and I do not want to take any chances. So the least amount of stability taken away from the headliner, the better. So tomorrow morning, I'll put all of this in, start on the other side, disassemble all of that, and do the exact same thing all over again. But like I said, I'm being stupid picky. It's got to be right. So, but on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you, and we will show you the next finished product soon.